Today is Wednesday, November 11th, 2020, Veterans Day. I'm standing at the edge of my lanai on the second floor of the condo where I'm renting here in Sarasota and shooting video of Tropical Storm Eta that is really starting to pick up now. You can, even through the screen, probably see the sideways blowing rain. And part of the lanai is flooded already here. I'm well prepared in terms of food and water. Even if electricity goes out, I can charge my cell phone through my car, which is in a secure location. It's not an underground parking, but it is a secure concrete basement area where I'll go if it really gets bad. The brunt of the storm is expected to come through in about 3 or 4 hours, and at that time it'll be dark. So shooting this video now to show a bit of what's happening here. You can really see it here. It's pretty dramatic. So I'll be hunkered down here for a little while. The storm has been in the Keys and it's moving up north. Prior to that, it had been in Cuba, and then it really pounded Nicaragua and some surrounding countries. This is the 29th named storm of the season, which I believe sets a record. And from what I saw yesterday, there may even be another tropical depression forming. So in this year of 2020, where so many wild things have been happening, now this. So I'm grateful to be safe and protected here. First time I've actually experienced a tropical storm. There was a tornado warning earlier in midday that has expired. I don't believe there were any tornadoes that occurred. Certainly keeping a watchful eye, not just on the weather outside visually here, but on Florida Power's website. AAA is sending up alerts. The emergency broadcast system has come into play already several times. And of course, that all is helpful information. So, all is well. And there you have it.